Good morning, one and all. Team Unproxy here. Many of you surely had attended college and tired of the old and ineffective way of marking your attendance or taking it. Our team has come up with the idea of marking down the attendance in most effective and anti-proxy way. Most of the educational institutes currently use biometrics or manual way of marking down. It has many disadvantages and is time consuming. But our idea, a web-based framework, can mark the attendance marking a more effortless task. By this idea, there's a very mere chance for proxy. As every student has their own unique ID and biometric technology can't be misused, there is almost no chance of other student marking their friend's attendance. There are several disadvantages with the existing methods, like all members of same class can't use a single biometric, as it is time-taking and not recommended during COVID times. With the forms and the QR codes, there is high chance of proxy, and manual attendance is time-taking process and not recommended for long-term storage of records. Our idea has a workflow of instructors sharing the QR code with the students, and each student can scan the QR code with only his mobile. And after scanning, the attendance is downloaded in CSV format.
The technology. The system requirements from the student side includes smartphone with internet connectivity. It can be Android 7+, iOS 7+, also computer with a TPM can be used. Going by the system requirements of Windows 11, most Windows Hello compatible devices and all Windows 11 devices can be used as well. From the instructor side, any device with internet connectivity and provision to share the attendance QR code with the students. Server side, the backend is to be developed on Azure, preferably serverless with Azure Functions and storage on Azure Blob Storage, Azure SQL Database. The static web pages to be hosted using GitHub Pages. FIDO2 library to be used uniquely identify the device of the user. Here, the authenticator attached used is platform. Server technologies, Azure Functions. Azure Functions is an event-driven serverless compute platform that can be used to solve complex orchestration problems, and its automated and flexible scaling capabilities keep the project in sync with the workload volume. Server technologies, Azure Blob Storage. Azure Blob Storage falls under the storage services offered by Azure. It stores data as blobs or unstructured data. It doesn't adhere to a particular data models like text or binary and is helpful for storing various types of files. Here, in this project, the blob storage is used to hold authenticated data for various students, which is an array of objects encapsulating the public cryptographic key and the credential identity. Server technologies, Azure SQL Database. Azure SQL Database is a scalable relational database service on cloud. With fast SQL query execution, it provides an option storing the attendance record of the student systematically. A single database is used for this purpose and is to be interfaced with the Azure Functions program. Server technologies, GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages allow hosting websites directly from the repository. It can be used to serve the web pages to the users and hence will be used for the same. Server technologies, FIDO2. FIDO2 is a specification published for simple and strong authentication by FIDO Alliance, which is known as Fast Identity Online, of which Microsoft is a board-level member. It mainly comprises of W3C WebAuthn and FIDO Alliance CTAP protocols. Also considering the fact about system requirements of Windows 11 and Microsoft's promise to a passwordless future, it is clear that FIDO2 specifications are going to be used in a major portion of the authentication, and identity technologies will be revolving around FIDO2 and Windows Hello in the future. The workflow. Student enrollment. The institute requests all students to register their devices against their enrollment numbers. This leads to a web page where the students can use their smartphone and enter their enrollment numbers. The server uses the FIDO specifications and stores the cryptographic keys generated by the smartphone against the roll number. The roll number of the student is also added to the browser cookies of the student's microphone. The upcoming slides are taken from RSA Conference 2020 presented by Jen Tong. The registration down slide. As the user wants to register the device, a request is made to the FIDO relying party server. The RP server replies with a challenge. The device then generates a key pair, signs the challenge, and sends the signed challenge, the public key, and its ID. The RP server verifies it and saves it. The workflow. Attendance procedure. Instructor opens the attendance web page and requests a QR code. The backend generates a unique class code and forms an URL and QR code. The instructor can share this QR code. The students on scanning the QR code lands on the web page to mark attendance. If the enrollment number exists in the browser cookies, the identity of the device is tallied against it with FIDO specifications. Otherwise, the student first goes to a form where the enrollment number is added to the cookies and then the process is followed. The authentication dance slide. As the request is made, the RP server replies with the challenge encrypted by public key. The device decrypts it, signs it, and then sends it back. The RP server then verifies it to mark the identity. The workflow. Attendance download. The attendance records are maintained in an SQL database. The web page on instructors page has an option to download attendance in CSV format. The backend queries the SQL databases to generate the attendance report in CSV format.
Diversity. Our idea can be accessed by anyone on the earth. All a person requires is a smartphone and stable internet connection. Even specially able people can mark their attendance by just sharing their PIN and phone with their friends or to just do it for them. Innovation. Fido 2 is officially launched into the market on April 2018. It has a greater scope for development and projects. It is relatively implemented only on fewer websites and apps for authentication. It implements the idea of fingerprint biometric, and using this tool for class attendance is really an innovative idea without any precedents. Target market. This idea can be used by all educational institutions, corporate organizations who are willing to mark the attendance of their students or employees. This is an efficient idea and can replace all the digital tools previously present in the market because it provides a better method for the same cause. Problems addressed. The old and norm attendance procedures are considered to be inefficient and inaccurate. So this project helps the problem of maintaining student attendance record. And this project is considered to be inexpensive and don't have any upfront cost for the institute or organization. Marketing. Our product will be offered as a SaaS model for various institutions and corporate organizations who want to maintain their student and employee attendance record. In spite of having ad services in the website, we are against it for the distraction purposes of the students, and our primary revenue channels are institutions and organizations who use our project on service model. Future growth. This tool is not just for attendance. It may be expanded as student authentication system as well. Instead of examination portals which use login ID and password, this can be a passwordless technique to do the task. In this way, another student can't use his friend's portal and there is no worry of forgetting the password. So this is our team's idea for the Imagine Cup, the easy and feasible way of marking your attendance. Thank you.